Yes, this kidney detox tea is really easy to make, and it's not just great for cleansing the kidneys, it will also help with kidney stones, kidney pain, and water retention. Just add some honey or maple syrup to taste and let the detox begin. Hello, this is Catherine. Welcome to Double O Kidney. This kidney detox tea has many benefits. Thanks to the powerful herbs I'm using to prepare it, this kidney home remedy treatment is going to help us keep blood pressure in check, lower blood sugar, boost immunity, and most of all, clear toxins from all the body. And it's made with just 3 easy to find but powerful herbs. Don't worry, I'll show you what they are in a moment. So be sure to share this video with anyone you know who likes to keep their body free of toxins. Hit the share button below or send them a WhatsApp message. I want to read you a comment very quickly before I start. This was on my other video about the kidney detox tea. This is from Fritz who wrote me, made the tea and shared it with a friend with slightly low kidney function. Her doctor was shocked a week later when her kidneys were back to full function. Thank you so much for this recipe. God bless and long life to you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your feedback and I'm glad my tea helped your friend. But I also got a lot of comments of people who had troubles finding all the ingredients. It's very difficult for me to collect the ingredients of the cleansing tea. And where can I avail those ingredients? Or where can I purchase these herbs? So today I'm making an easier to make but in my opinion even more effective version of the kidney detox tea. Just 3 ingredients and I'll show you how to find them easily. Just a little warning. The kidney detox home remedy tea we're making today is a potent recipe. I'm using some proven herbal remedies and there will be some noticeable effects on your health when you first try it. And even if most of the people experience no symptoms at all, there is a chance of mild discomfort and stiffness in the low back. There is also a chance of strong smelling or darkening of the urines. But don't worry if this happens. These signs are only showing a major release of toxins from the kidneys. This will only indicate that the cleanse is working. So don't be alarmed if this happens. It's a great way to improve kidney health naturally actually. But always remember that if you have kidney disease, hypertension, diabetes, or if you take any medication, you should talk to your doctor before trying anything new. This herbal tea included, okay? Okay, let's see our first home remedy now. This alone is already powerful enough to help your kidneys. It's great to lower both blood pressure and blood sugar levels, but it will also reduce inflammation. Let's see what it is. And it is chamomile tea. This is something we all know and love for its properties, right? Who doesn't drink chamomile tea at least once in a while to sleep better? But maybe you didn't know that chamomile has a lot of health benefits. It lowers blood sugar, reduces the risk of diabetes, prevents osteoporosis, reduces inflammation, helps with skin problems, and can even help with sleep and relaxation. A lot of benefits for just one ingredient. This is why we're going to use it as part of our kidney cleanse tea. Now, if you want to get all these benefits from chamomile, you should prepare it in a different, more potent way than how you usually make chamomile tea in the evening. Also, as you can see, I prefer to use a different type of chamomile from what you usually find in supermarkets. You won't get all the benefits if you don't infuse it the right way. So watch this video till the end so I can show you. And also the quality of the chamomile flowers we're using will be playing a crucial role. As you can see, This is not your usual store-bought and bagged chamomile. Actually, I'll show you. This is the content of a bag of chamomile tea from the supermarket. You see, everything is grinded. Doesn't look really natural. And this is the chamomile we'll be using for this tea. There is a lot more petals, and this is what makes it stronger. Again, the more potent the tea, the more the health benefits. So the more the petals, the better. So this is one thing to look for when you're buying dried chamomile flowers for making tea. The other thing you want is to find a brand that can send you certified chemical-free organic chamomile flowers. Take a look at the flowers when you open the package and see if they look natural. The less processed, the better. You can even grow chamomile in your garden if you live in a temperate climate. By the way, if you don't know how to find herbs, I'll put a link in the description to some trusted sellers on Amazon. Now, someone in comment asked me, why do you keep talking about the kidneys? Should I even care about my kidneys at all? Aren't those just like filters? Well, kidney health is a lot more important than most people think. Your body needs the kidneys to work properly to be able to function. And unfortunately, most people will only appreciate their kidneys when they are gone. More than 1 in 10 Americans over the age of 20 show evidence of kidney disease. The worst part is that kidney disease shows no symptoms until it is in an advanced stage, and many people only get diagnosed with kidney disease just before they need to go in dialysis, because kidney disease is what they call a silent disease. So, to prevent this, do regular checkups and get tested for kidney function if you have any doubt. Okay, time for our next ingredient now. This is going to help you with boosting metabolism and immunity, and it's also great to fight water retention issues. Let's see what it is. Stinging nettle. According to medical research, stinging nettle can lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels, but it also helps balance excess sodium in the body. And most of all, stinging nettle is great for the health of your urinary tract and kidneys, because it also has diuretic properties to help the kidneys getting rid of excess toxins and fluids. So a detox tea made from nettle is excellent for people who face water retention issues, because it helps balance excess sodium and water in the body. And it also works as an anti-inflammatory. An incredible number of benefits for just one ingredient. And it's not all. In a recent study, people suffering from arthritis pain have been shown to get the same result in terms of reducing pain they would have got from NSAIDs when they use stinging nettle extract. This herb is actually approved in Germany and France for the treatment of urinary problems. Not many herbs are approved as a detox therapy, so this should already say a lot about the properties of stinging nettle. This home remedy is also known as nettle or stinger, and it's a really common weed that grows in gardens almost everywhere in the world. And it's very easy to grow it if you want to. Stinging nettle is also known to cause a painful burning sensation and rash in case of contact, so be very careful if you want to grow or harvest it. Its stem and leaves are completely covered in needle-like hairs that contain irritating compound. Okay, don't worry if I'm touching it with my bare hands when the leaves are dried. There's no more irritating compound in them, and they are absolutely safe to touch or to consume. I actually bought this. It's pretty inexpensive and easy to find in an herbal store, even online. Okay, our last ingredient now. So let's see what's in here. This is something that has been used to treat kidney problems since the time of the ancient Romans and Greeks. This plant, grows across the rivers in basically any humid region of the world, so it should be really easy to find and inexpensive. Let's see what it is and how we should use it. And it is Horsetail. It's also known as puzzle grass, but the scientific name of the plant is Equisetum arvense. If you buy it, always check that the cones are green and not brown. This means that the plant has been harvested at the right time. This is the aerial part of the plant, and we're going to use it with the stinging nettle and chamomile tea to make a powerful tea to detox the kidneys. Okay, what are the benefits for our kidneys of horsetail? This herb is going to enhance the cleansing and diuretic properties of the kidney tea we are going to make. Very useful for people suffering from fluid retention. Horsetail is a gentle diuretic that will naturally promote the healing process of your kidneys by helping them removing the unwanted toxins from the body. It's often used to flush out kidney stones. It's also known to lower blood sugar levels. Now, while it's helpful alone, combining with our other herbs will make it exceptionally useful. Okay, there is one more thing I want to show you before we get to the recipe. This is a program made by an Australian doctor to help people with kidney disease. He will even give you a free consultation with the program. This is so effective in lowering creatinine that people here on Double O Kidney are writing about it in comment section almost every day. Some of them even reverse their kidney disease. The link is up here if you want to give it a try. Back to our tea now. The water is boiling. Time to add our ingredients now. Doing a detox is a little bit more complex than just sipping tea. So bear with me for a moment before we get to the recipe. I know that people following me here on Double O Kidney are really serious about their health. So I won't be repeating the same advice you always hear about detoxing, like avoiding to smoke or to eat junk foods. But what I must absolutely tell you is that to do a kidney cleanse, we will need to cleanse our whole body too. This means that to give your kidneys the best chance to heal, we are going to drink this tea during a detox period. The main goal of this detox period is to, you guess it, remove all the unwanted toxins from the body, to clean the kidneys up and to give them the chance to recover they need. A lot of people do cleanses while fasting. You can do this for a weekend, for example, so you won't be eating solid foods during the weekend, just the cleansing tea and maybe some vegetable smoothies. I've made some interesting recipes like my green apple detox smoothie. Ready? Okay, now that we have clarified the detoxifying part of this cleanse, let's get back to the kidney tea part. So, let's see how to prepare a powerful detoxifying, soothing, and anti-inflammatory tea with these 3 herbs. It's pretty easy actually. Now I already have some boiling water ready, so I just need the right doses for these herbs. We are going to use half teaspoon of stinging nettle for its anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties, and half teaspoon of horsetail for its detoxifying properties and to enhance the properties of the other herbs, and 1.5 teaspoon of chamomile. This is for about 4 cups or 1 liter of water. I usually put the herbs directly in a tea strainer and leave them in infusion as soon as the water is boiling. The hotter the water, the better. The tea will be more potent. Stir a little bit and let it sit for 20 minutes. stirring occasionally. It's almost ready. Strain all the tea through a fine mesh sieve and here we go! The tea is ready! This is all for today. Thank you for watching.